Five little ducks went out to play, bouncing, splashing on their way. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only four little ducks came back. Four little ducks waddled near and far, hopping, skipping by the pond and the stars. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only three little ducks came back. Three little ducks swam wild and free, through the reeds and past the trees. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only two little ducks came back. Two little ducks played hide and seek, tumbling down the river creek. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only one little duck came back. One little duck went all alone, exploring hills and fields unknown. Mama duck called quack, 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 quack. Five little ducks came back in sight.